Tesla trying to get a nice little pop all the way back up towards around the VWAP, and I probably will jump in on this play. All right, guys, Tesla. I'm going to jump in on Tesla right here. I'm going to jump in on Tesla at this moment and look for a Tesla short. So I'm jumping in on a Tesla short, getting myself 350 shares on the short side over on Tesla right now. I will add, if we get up towards that VWAP area, the good news is about this play is that I'm not going to lose a lot. You know, even if I ever did take a loss, because it is a very large stock here. If it gets above the VWAP, gets back above 254, guess what? I'm probably just going to get out of this play. When in doubt, I lose $175. Dek, why are you getting in on the short side? Well, just because this play is coming up to the VWAP area. At the VWAP area is always going to hold up as resistance, especially if you fall underneath the VWAP. If you crack the VWAP after bouncing, and you crack the VWAP, when you come up to the VWAP, it holds up as resistance. So we are basically looking just to be able to get filled up near the VWAP as we did, and now we're looking for a new low of the day. Tesla right now coming up towards the VWAP. Remember, I do not want to allow it to get above and hold above the VWAP. Here's the downtrend area. So basically, here we are, downtrend. Dek, where's the last area to add? 254.45, 254.40. I'm going to add my last 350 shares on this play. Tesla, guys, I'm going to jump in right now over on Tesla, raise my cost basis, 253.87 right now. So I am doing a little bit of a bigger order. I'm happy with this order now. We got to crack back underneath the VWAP for us to be able to make the cash we want. Guys, here comes a little bit of that drop. Can we stay underneath the VWAP now? We have to stay underneath the VWAP. We don't want to be going back on up to 254.10. We should get paid on out here, team. If this can stay underneath the VWAP, get a nice crack. We are back into the green right now. Let's see if this thing can fall on down. So far, we're good to go. Purple line still holding up strong. Looking for that possible sell-off. Here we go. Let's see if we can get that red candle back on down here, guys. Here we go. Nice crack. We're doing everything we need. Everything we've done so far, absolutely perfect. Everything we've done so far, everyone's staying smart. Let's see if we can keep on cracking. 253.20. We're doing everything perfect at this moment. Here comes 253 at this time. 253. We might be coming back on down. Guys, let's see if we crack 253. 253. Started, guys. 253 at this moment. Oh, little lower shadow all the way back on down to 253. We almost got the 253 crack. We almost had the 253 crack right there, traders. We still might get it. Here's 253. 253 going. Boom, baby. There's a 253 crack. 253 crack, and we got Tesla dropping now. Congratulations, baby. Let's keep this party going at this moment. Woo! Feeling good right now. We got a little bit of an upper shadow. I'm going to lock in my gains right here, team. I'm going to lock in, be smart. I'm going to get out one of these at this moment, and I'm going to get out the rest. All right, guys, 520 bucks. AMD getting a nice little pop on up here. Up towards the red line would be the goal. You know, the 129.60s again. Try to get filled. If it ever broke through 129.75, probably get out of that one. Wouldn't want to hold it if it does keep on going. Here comes a little bit of a pop. 129.60. Get ready for it. Came on up to 129.59 there. Did not get filled on this play. Coming close to that red line. We do know as we get close to that red line, traders are going to get very interested to look for more put contracts and look for that possible reversal. Not in on this play yet. Not in on this play yet. Not in on this play yet. Jumping on in. 650 shares again. Doing the same exact trade. 650 shares short side right now. And I have a stop loss at 129.75, but I would add a little bit more shares if it does pop up just slightly higher towards that 129.68, 69 mark. Starting to break a little bit. Giving it one final chance here. If it starts breaking, I'm getting out. If it starts breaking, I'm getting out. Little heads on up. If this starts breaking, I'm getting out here. We had a nice little upper shadow back on up. Let's see if we can crack it. Okay, we're looking good. We're back in the green. Let's see if we can fall now. Here it goes, 129.30s, 129.30s, 129.32, 129.30s. We're up $325 right now. We're still not getting that 129.30 crack. Here's 129.30s, 129.27. Lock in half right here, and I'm locking in the rest. Boom, guys, 500 and 520. There we go, baby. 500, 520. Nice little $1,000 day right there. Anyone see this statement that Jerome Powell put on out? It was all over CNBC. It was all over the news this morning. If you guys haven't checked it on out, here it is.
Despite the blackout before FOMC to tell you regards not to pump the market. If you pump the market, I will have to bitch slap you on Wednesday. Let me take this opportunity to tell you that I already sold at the top. And me and my fellow Fed buddies are looking to get back in long once the market bottoms at 3,600. Yeah, that's the JPM collar put leg for those of you keeping track at home. Me and Jamie Dimon planned for this. So if you WSB twats pump the market Monday and Tuesday because you've been listening to Jam Crossant and Believe in Vanna and Charm Flows, I'm going to put on my Walker mask and come fuck your moms on Wednesday. Also, we are going to bail out the banks, but you fuckwads better not pump the stock market on this news. Okay, enough. I gotta go. I got an appointment. Nick from Wall Street Journal is coming over to suck.
Okay, whoa, okay. Whoa. All right, whoa. Let's turn that off, right? Whoa. What's going on with AMD right here? AMD, nice little bounce play. AMD, big bounce play right back on up towards 127. Okay, I like this. Look at AMD. Can we get all the way back up towards around the high of the day? Can we re-break 127? Maybe run on up towards the high of the day? AMD, no entries for myself right now, just yet. Hold on, we might run on up towards the high of the day, which would be nice. I'm gonna do 1,000 shares right now over on AMD. The best entry is gonna be up towards around 127.40, 127.50, but I'm entering right now over on AMD because I do think we could get a nice AMD drop, just in case AMD starts turning. I am in on this play at this moment. 1,000 shares, $126,000 investment. I am in at 126.94. You can see I'm currently up 500, 600,000. There we go. Nice drop over on AMD. Possibly going underneath the VWAP here soon. If AMD can go back underneath, 126, I probably would start taking some sort of gains. Anything underneath the VWAP is just, perfect for us. Just a little heads on up. If you want to be the tightest trader you can, okay, I was going to say the tightest trader you can be, you want to take profits right at the VWAP. Then underneath the VWAP, you can always jump back on it. But right here, guys, we're up 1,000 right now. Guys, we're up 1,000. Nice drop. Nice work. AMD currently up what? $1,200, $1,300. Currently up $1,300. AMD with a dump, baby. AMD with a dump, baby. Let's let her ride here, baby. AMD right now currently up $1,200 at this moment. I'm gonna take my gains. Boom, baby. So AMD, nice work. We nailed the dump. $1,149.30. Man, that peanut butter jelly song is good. I like the beat. La 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 la. Deck, it didn't sound anything like that. Well, you know what? It did in my head, and I'm very musically gifted. I don't ever like to bring that up too much, but I'm like that. I was in those special classes growing up where they pull me out of class and it's like they put a piano in front of me and I just knew how to play it right away. They gave me a violin and I just knew, how to be able to perform. I don't know why. I see a violin not the same way other people see it. I was able to write my first masterpiece by the age of 12. I've done performances at the opera, the opera, the OPA, as the super rich call it. And, it's just one of those musically gifted type of people go down in history. Me, Beethoven, Bach, Charlie Puth, right? All in the same category. I'm gonna, give you a little shout out here. The chat's buzzing right now, buddy. You're getting, you're absolutely jacked at this moment.
Thank you.
You got a little pre-pump before this, man? You got a little pre-pump before?
Not even. I'm actually doing upper body tomorrow, so today was a lower body workout.
Oh, nice.
Exactly.
Yeah, me too. Leg day today, baby.
Awesome. That's what's up. But yes, I think Jerome Powell's gonna say something to cause a little spike, but overall we're gonna head down. I was explaining to everyone earlier this week we had a contract rollover in the futures market, right? And that created a massive gap, about a 3.5, 300, 350 gap in the market. So the market is gonna end up having to come down to fill that gap. And I was expecting it to do it earlier in the week, but because we had such a high influx of capital in the market, which the Fed's printing the 200 billion, which is what caused the market to run up. So now that Powell came out, when he comes out, he's gonna spike. And
CAVA still going right here. CAVA going on up at this moment. CAVA, what did it get up to? 46.75. CAVA. I'm gonna look for shares to short here. I'm going short here. 3,000 shares. CAVA. I'm going short here, team. I'm in at 44.92. We did just get a little upper shadow, looking for this one to drop back on down underneath $45. Get a nice dump. So I am short at this moment on this play. Come on. Let's go. Come on, getting into the green. Let's see if we can get a nice drop out of this one. I want to get up, $2,000, $3,000 if we can. Come on, baby. Let's get a dump. Let's get a dump here. 1,300. We're making it. Let's go. Let's run now. Let's get a dump. Let's go. 3,000. Come on, 3,000. Can we keep on going now? Can we keep it going? 3,400 at this moment. We're up $3,400, $4,000. I'm going to take a little bit off the top here. Taking a little bit off the top, guys. I'm going to get out of this play. Boom! $4,600 in profit. Woo! Guys, I am done. I am good. $4,600 in profit right there. I'm a happy camper. I do think AMD is going to start turning, though. Why do I think AMD is going to start turning? SPY is starting to fall. So SPY starting to fall back on down. That could definitely bring AMD back down. Maybe a possible AMD short, you know, going back on down underneath 122. I could definitely imagine that as well. Ooh, guys, already starting to fall a little bit as I'm speaking about this. So AMD starting to turn and starting to drop. I could imagine that because the SPY starting to turn and starting to drop. So AMD bounces back up towards 122.20s. I'm going to look for a short. Try to get filled up near around 122.19. Here's 122.19. Didn't get filled on this one. Got to get a little bit of a pop. I might just switch over to a market order. I'm going to jump in right here at 122.16. Why am I doing this? I'm seeing that the market's starting to turn back on down. AMD has been following the market very well. So when we take a look, you can see it's very similar. Drop, drop. Then we have spike, spike. And now that SPY is falling, I think AMD is going to fall as well. So AMD in on this play right now. Watching for this one to fall. Guys, nice work. Guys, up $300, $300. Let's see if we can keep on going on down. Guys, nice work here. Nice work on this play. Nice work on this play. 364, 400. SPY cracking. SPY falling good. AMD's going to follow. AMD's going to fall good here too. $500 almost. $500 AMD right now. AMD starting to get a little bit weaker. Let's just watch the SPY. SPY's getting a little bounce. Take your profits. Take your profits, guys. Get out of this play. Boom. All right, guys, there we go. AMD just made $469. $469 over on AMD.